Ever got a renovation quote in NYC and thought, why is this so expensive? You're not alone. Here's how contractors really price jobs. First, labor. In NYC, labor can be 40 to 60% of the total cost. Skilled workers, insurance, experience. Second, materials. Tile can be $2 or $20 per square foot. Cheap materials now mean repairs later. Third, scope of work. Hidden problems change everything. Old pipes, wiring, waterproofing. Fourth, NYC costs. Permits, approvals, insurance. This alone can add thousands of dollars. Fifth, time. Faster projects cost more workers, more pressure. And yes, profit is included, usually 15 to 30%. So why do quotes vary so much? Because quality, risk, and experience are different. The smartest move? Don't choose the cheapest. Choose the contractor who does it right the first time. Follow Build NY Hub for real construction insights.